A Best Smart Plug is just about the most convenient and useful bit of kit that you can add to any smart home. From making a dumb light smart to controlling when your tools charge, a smart plug gives you control over devices that you'd normally have to adjust manually. There are plenty of different types of plug available, from simple one-socket ones to power strips that let you control multiple devices. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Smart Plugs. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. HBN15A Smart Plug. If you are searching for a smart plugs, the HBN15A Smart Plug review on our list is ideal for you. Turn lights, fans, and appliances on or off automatically from anywhere in the world with your smartphone anytime via the HBN Smart app. HBN Smart Plugs with 2 grounded outlets feature space saving for users, which can control all electrical appliances individually or together. Simply voice command to control multiple home devices with our smart outlet via Alexa or Google Home. Number 4. KMC 30153 Mini Smart Plug. The next product we have got on our list is the KMC 30153 Mini Smart Plug. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. No hub required. Requires a secured 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and a device running Android or iOS. Control your Smart Plug Mini by saying Alexa or Hey Google. Seamlessly integrates with your existing smart speakers and routines. The KMC Smart app allows you to automate your connected devices. Number 3. Kasa EP10P2 Smart Plug. If you're looking for a smart plug with Kasa EP10P2 Smart Plug, Kasa Smart Plugs that work with Alexa and Google Home Assistant. Enjoy the hands-free convenience of controlling any home electronic appliances with your voice via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The smallest Kasa plug ever made. A compact design allows the use of the second plug on an outlet. Check the smart plug status and control remotely with the Kasa Smart app, saving you energy. Number 2. Amison Smart Plug. More than 4,600 5-star reviews praise the Amison Smart Plug for its portability. The smart plug works with Amazon Alexa, Echo Dot, and Google Home to manage your home devices through voice control. You can control home appliances remotely and smartly by using cloud intelligence. With the convenient timer function, the smart plug can protect the device's safety, prevent from overcharging and overheating, and reduce energy use. Switch your home appliances on, off automatically and intelligently by setting a Number 1. Esecu Smart Plug. The Esecu Smart Plug are the best smart plugs you can buy this year. The smart socket can be used for any home appliances such as lights, electric ovens, toasters, fans, air conditioners and coffee mills, etc. Strong signal ensures the connection between the network and sockets. Wireless control from anywhere. Voice control with voice assistants. Timer schedule and countdown on app. Scene modes with smart home.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.